One of the questions I get the most is, how do I decorate my mantle? When I decorate a mantle, I like to pick a theme. The inspiration for this mantelscape is our fresh balsam jingle bell wreath. So the first thing we need to do is add height to either end of our mantle, and we're going to do that with our red berry and holly topiaries. And they will give just the right amount of height to either side of our mantle, and behind each one of those, we're going to layer in a charger, ivory with a little bit of burnished gold, highlighting that fluted detail. Taking a cue from our fresh balsam wreath, I wanted to decorate this mantle with fresh greens. You may have fresh greens, evergreen trees in your yard that you can trim from. Greens are available lots of places. We even have a box of fresh greens available on QVC.com. This first layer that I'm putting down is spruce, and I love that it has a little bit of that blue-green, which is so pleasing. Next, we're going to layer in cedar. And a couple of these I cut just a little bit longer because what I wanted them to do is, I'm going to slide them underneath. The spruce will actually help to anchor them. I wanted to let them kind of cascade down over the mantle, and you'll see how it gives such a pretty effect. It's a lighter green, so now we have the lighter green, we have the blue-green of the spruce, and then our top coat, if you will, is going to be a layer of balsam. That's going to be a little darker than the cedar, a little different in texturing, but you can see how it layers in and gives such a pretty effect. I happened to save the red bow from last year's fresh balsam wreath, and I'm going to use it right here on this beautiful bed of fresh greens to pull the bow and the wreath, and now the matching bow on the mantle. Let's layer in some pretty gold picks. Actually, just tuck it between the loops of the bow and the tail of the bow so that the gold pops off of that red background. And then at either end of the bow, another little set of gold to extend that pretty glistening look. And finally, let's add a couple of red berries layered onto that gold pick. So again, you can see we layered our greens, and now we've layered our finishing touches. Have fun dressing your mantle this holiday season.